Y'all, same exact thing. You just have to put the letters I and J next to it. So let's go ahead and knock this out real quick. We're going to pick up the pace a little bit. Looks like some of y'all are falling asleep. I can't have that. All right, pointy form is going to be 4, 2. You guys need to find the unit vector form. So go ahead and find the unit vector form now. You find that. 2 over 2 is going to be 1 over root 5. And then we're going to rationalize. So when we rationalize, it's going to be 2 root 5 over 5 over 5. Now that is absolutely correct if it was starting out in component form, but it's not. It's in linear combo form. So we have to write I and J next to it with a plus sign in the middle. So the final answer, the unit vector, is going to be 2 root 5 over 5 I, and then, I don't know, plus or minus. Which one? Plus, because it's positive. Root 5 over 5J. And that is going to be the answer. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at problem 6. Did y'all get the square root of 34? Mm-hmm. Okay. Any questions on square root of 34? All right. All right, to find a regular vector, we're going to find the direction of the given vector first, and then apply its own magnitude. So find the vector with a given magnitude and the same direction as v. As long as we know it's going in the same direction as something else, we're going to be able to find the missing vector that matches a magnitude of 6. Multi-steps though. The first thing we need to do is we're going to find the unit vector of the given. Then we're going to apply the magnitude. So remember, to find the unit vector is the pointy form divided by the magnitude. So we're going to take the pointy form of the given vector, and we're going to divide it by its own magnitude. So it's going to be negative 3 squared plus positive 3 squared. So the unit vector in component form square root of 18 down there. Any questions? I know there's a lot going on with that denominator. It's a root, there's a perfect in there, 9 times 3, or 9 times 2. But if you're good on that, I'm going to keep going. Okay, so this simplifies to You better make sure you get that, and you need to tell me if you don't get that. 4, we're going to multiply both of these by 6. That's going to turn into a negative 6 root 2 over 2 positive root 6. I'm sorry, positive 6 root 2 over 2. Should we leave that as our final answer? No. Our final answer, the vector that we are looking for, let's write our symbols. Vector A is going to be negative 3 root 2, positive 3 root 2. Any questions on that? All right, so I know it's weird, y'all. Let me just try to conceptualize this for you. Let's pretend, just for the sake of being easy, that I go fill up my gas tank that has a 60-gallon gas tank, and I go and I pay with a credit card for $120. So if my 60-gallon gas tank, I paid $120, that's a vector. How much should I pay per gallon? $2. That's a unit vector. If you go fill up your gas tank and your gas tank is completely empty and you only have 10 gallons in there, how much money did you spend on that? Yes, well, did I say 10? Yeah, $20. So once you get down to the unit vector, it's like both of us are at the same gas station, and we just have different sized gas tanks in our vehicles. Does that kind of help a little bit? All right. Will you please try to do number 8 before me? Please. So for problem 10, pointing form divided by the magnitude, 36 plus 1. That is going to be rationalized That's the unit vector. Any questions on that? Then let's apply the magnitude of 2. When we apply the magnitude of 2, the 6 is going to double, and this 1 is going to double. Nothing is going to cancel out, though. So when we write it in linear combo form, vector A is going to be 12 root 37 over 37. I, because remember it started out in combo form, plus 2 root 37 over 37. And that's going to be the answer. Almost the answer. Thank you very much. There we go. That's the answer. Thank you.